What's up everybody, it is Mr. Moo Plays here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to script a slushy machine in Roblox. So, let's get started. First you want to start off with, let's say a cylinder. Okay, we're going to start off with a cylinder. You want to rotate it like that. This is actually the cup we're going to make first. So let's put it like a normal cup like that. We can duplicate it. Let's make it a little smaller than the other cup. Like that. Put it up like a little. Do that. And then you want to go to model right here. Click negate and hold control. Click this and then click union. And then you'll have your cup right here. Looks nice. So let's just color it a different color. We can make it like a wooden cup maybe. So brown. Oh, also, if you want to change it a different color, well, this, just click use part color. So I'm just gonna do that. And make my material wood. It's a slushy, so make it white and maybe, we can make it like a glass. Let's do the transparency to, let's do 0.1. That looks nice. Now we have our glass. You want to rename that. Rename it handle. Rename that handle. Insert a tool into the workspace. Right there. I'm going to name that tool cup, just like that. Drag the handle into the cup, and we're going to put that in ServerStorage just to get that out of the way. Now, next, you want to add a script into the ServerScript service. We'll get to that script later. Actually, I'm just going to drag the cup back into the workspace, and we're going to start making our slushy. So you want to go to toolbox and just type in hamburger, just like that. You want to grab a hamburger like that. Okay, let's grab that. Grab the bun up, put it inside the cup. Just delete this hamburger. Let's grab this bun up. By the way, this is a remake of a video that I watched. It's a newer version. His script didn't really work that much. His name is Bunny Films. If you want to go check out his channel, link is in the description. Bunny Films, go check it out. This is part 1 out of maybe 5. I don't know. Okay, let's make that a little smaller. Drag it up. Let's make it a little smaller, like that. By the way, this is the slushy part. So, let's duplicate that. Drag it up a little. And do that. Just like that. Center it some. Like that. That looks good and nice. Let's grab this. And, yeah, they have use part color on. So we're going to make it a red slushy, just like that. Okay, now you're going to want to grab the bottom one. Let's just rename this bottom. Let's rename this middle, and rename this top. Okay, so you have your middle, or bottom, middle, and top. Okay. You're gonna want to grab these. I forgot. Grab the bottom. Go into model. This is something that Bunny Films did not do. He did not weld it. He actually used a script that did not work. But I'm actually gonna weld it. You wanna get under this cup. Grab the weld right there. And put it like right there. Yep. Wait, I don't think that worked. Let's grab the weld. Yeah, there we go. And grab the button up and put it to, yeah, there, the bottom to this. So, and just in case, I think I need to do a weld from here, from the middle to there. And then one last weld from the top to the glass. Okay, we have our weld script, or just welds. Grab all this and make it transparency to 1. There we go. We're done with the cup right now. Drag it back into ServerStorage. And we are going to do the service script now. But first I want to insert a folder into this ReplicatedStorage. Rename that events, just like that. And input a, let's, oh yeah, I can't really seem to find it. Remote event, there we go. And rename that Give. Okay, I'll explain that later on. Let me just look back at my other game. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I see what I did. So, you want to make this just like that. Let's just put it red. Plastic. You don't have to do this. It's because it's already going to be 1 transparency. Rename this to cup. Go into the workspace, insert, model, yeah, model. To the workspace, drag the cup into the model, and insert a click detector in here. If I can find it. There we go, found it. Click detector into that, and rename this model cup giver, just like that. And then you're actually going to want to grab your handle, drag it, duplicate it, and drag it into the workspace. And just rename this union. Rename that union. Drag it down about here. Go into the cup giver. Like that. Drag this up some. We're gonna make it a small table. Just like that. There. I'm gonna make a small table for now. Just gonna make that metal. Gonna design this some. Like that. That looks nice. Okay, let's grab both of these, drag it onto the table. Just like that. And now we're going to start designing our slushy machine. Let's do about that size. Make it about that tall, maybe. You're just going to want to grab this, put it into here. Just about like that. Hopefully that's centered. Right. Put this, grab this, navigate, grab this union. Now we have a little hole in our slushy machine. Grab another one and put it into here again. Pretty much the exact same place as before. But you're going to want to make it smaller. Just like that. Should centered. Right. Yeah, it looks centered, doesn't it? Duplicate this. Do that. Let's do that. Put this down. And make this much smaller, like that. I think that's a good design for a machine. Oof, that's not really centered, but who cares? Let's put this onto the counter. That's our slushy machine, I guess, so far. I might make a design video of the design of the slushy machine. Let's make this a little smaller. Like that. And, you know what, let's anchor this all first. Anchor. There we go. We have this all anchored. And, go into workspace, insert a part, and name this part ICP. I might have to copy the scripts from my other game because I don't really know how the scripts work. So you're just gonna want to cover that all up. Cover that all up and hit can collide off, anchor it. And that's pretty much good for now. I gotta go see what I did in my other one. Okay, so for the ICP, I did a script. Let's copy that script right there. You know what? Let's go down and copy the ServerScript service script right here. Let's copy that. Go back into my other game. Let me just make this transparency 1. Let's grab this, put that into there, just like that. You might want to pause the video to just copy the script into the ServerScript service. So just copy that script. Okay. Now I think we can do the ICP script. Wait, I forgot about the script in the starter pack. Go ahead and insert a local script into the starter pack. More scripts, I know. So the starter pack script is this. Grab that, put it into here. And we have that. By the way, while you're at scripting this, just subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. Okay, that's what we have right now. Okay, I think if I go and wait, I can grab the cup, go to plugins, tool grip editor. Yeah, that cup is really big, but it's fine for right now because it's just a test cup. Tool grip editor. It's a plugin that you should get. It's actually a really helpful plugin. It's called Tool Grip Editor by Ego Moose. By Ego Moose. And you can use it how he holds it. So it used to be like this. He was going to hold it like that, but I made him hold it like this. So it's not that much. So did I already? Yep, I inserted this detector. I think that's all for the give. Let's test it out. We are testing it right now. Click it. Yep, and you get a cup. Oof. I anchored that, and make sure it's not anchored. What happened here? Maybe. I'm not sure what happened. Okay, let's try that one more time. Okay. Do that. Why is it doing that? Maybe I'm gonna drag the cup back into the workspace. Maybe because it's inside there. I don't know. Let me drag it back into the server storage. Click play, see if it works. Go grab it, walk around some. Why is it doing that? Oh, it's probably because the bottom, you make sure it's all not anchored like that, and the can glides off too. And click play. Yeah, I think that was the problem. The rest of it was anchored. Yeah, there we go. You can have your cup now. You can click as many times as you want and get your cups. And next, I'm going to show you how to fill up your cup with slushy. Okay, as you can see, we have our bottom, middle, and top right there. So, you want to go here. I'm just going to go here. I'm going to get my ICP script right here. I'm going to copy the script right here. Put it into my ICP. I think it was a script like that. Just like that script. I'll put all the scripts in the link in the description so for you guys. And I think that's it for how to make a slushy on the for your cafe. So grab that, put it right here, and your slushy fills up. So that's how you make a slushy for Roblox, for your Roblox cafe. It also renames it Red Slurpee. I just named my Slurpees. See? If you want to learn how to make the color different, then I will make another video if this video hits, let's say, 5 likes. Let's see if this video can hit 5 likes. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.